So today we're going to be talking about the trading windows on the M1 Finance Investing app. Now, when it comes to using the app, we have it right up here in real time so you guys can follow along. Now on the app itself, if we slide up towards the bottom here, you're going to see where it says trading window. So let's talk a little bit about what this all means. Now, if you have just a basic version of M1 Finance, you're going to have one trading window, which is going to be in the morning at the next earliest trade. So you can see for my time zone, we're currently at the 6:30 a.m. for the next morning, which is essentially 9:30 Eastern time, pretty much tomorrow as well. Now, the way this is also going to work is, of course, if there are holidays or if you're on the weekend, the next following business trade day is going to be able to pop up here for you. So if it's, Saturday night, it'll show that it's Monday at the earliest trading, or if there's a holiday on Monday, it'll show Tuesday. Now you can see here there is a second trading window, which is at 12 p.m. my time or 3 p.m. Eastern time. Now, if you are somebody who has the basic version of M1 Finance, you are only able to trade at that morning trade. You do need to have the M1 Plus feature to be able to get that extra time slot so you can trade in at the second time in the afternoon. Now, that second time slot has a couple different factors coming to it. First and foremost, like I mentioned, you need the M1 Plus feature, which is a paid service. I have a whole video on that if you want to learn more. So if you are somebody who has this M1 Plus feature, which again is that paid service, you will now have access to either a morning trade or an afternoon trade. Now the thing is, you can't actually choose which one when you are placing your deposit. You effectively have to put in your deposit after the morning trade has already passed to be able to use that trade in the afternoon. Now, if you do a trade in the morning, you actually don't have access to the afternoon trade if your account is under $25,000. So in order to do both trades in one single day, you actually had to have over a $25,000 balance in your account for that benefit. So under $25,000, only one trade window, which is either the morning or the afternoon. But again, to do the afternoon, you have to wait till the morning passes. Or if you are somebody with over $25,000, you can effectively do both the morning trade as well as the afternoon trade as well. Seems a little confusing, but for most people who are just kind of a set and forget motion, this is not going to be the biggest deal for you in the world because your objective is to just long-term invest and have your money working for you in the account. Now, one little side note for anybody who's using the M1 Borrow feature, which effectively allows you to borrow against your portfolio, and you're trying to build up to that $25,000 to use both windows, whatever amount you're borrowing essentially gets negatived towards the amount that you have invested. So as an example, if let's say you have $25,000 in your account, but are borrowing $1,000, your total value for the portfolio is actually at $24,000, not letting you invest in the morning and the afternoon trades at the exact same time. So something to keep in mind, those two totals have to equal over that $25,000 so you can get access to those both trading windows. Now, if you are somebody who wants to keep on learning more when it comes to using M1 Finance and getting all the features and benefits out of it, check out my video right over here to keep on learning. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.